What is going on, everybody? Chris here with Money EDU, and in this episode we're going to be going over my top items that you can start reselling online right now. And these items have very little competition. This is something anyone can take advantage of, so let's get right into it. Starting off, we have these PSD men's underwear. Currently a welcome deal for 99 cents and free shipping. This is only for one though, and then I think you're gonna have to pay the full price after that. Where we start making money with these is these 6-packs. And right there you can see the exact same photo popping up for $62 being sold on eBay. Another one right here, it's a 5-pack for $52. This is coming directly from China. Another one for $59, that's the exact same photo. It's gotta be one of these. Yep, right there, 18 bucks. He's selling it for $60 right here. People are currently watching this item. It's in somebody's cart. This one's got 2 carts, 2 of them sold already, 4 people have it on their watch list, so these items are definitely sought after. Right here, I bet you these are going for more. Yep, 4 have already sold on this one. It's a popular item right now on eBay, and he's getting them right here from AliExpress. We've got the selection of sizes right here, very simple, and then you just do it right here as well. 18 bucks. They vary just a little bit depending on the size, but I mean, your profit's still going to be huge. $20 per sale minus about a 30% eBay fee. You know, you're making 18 bucks, 17 bucks every time you sell one of these. Killer product to start flipping on here. And then we've got the individual ones for $4. You can post these individually at 12 bucks a pop. Free shipping. 226 have already sold. 53 people are watching the item. And it's in 47 carts. So each sale he's making $8 minus a 30% fee. That'll put you right around $5.50 per sale. So he's got 226 times 5.6. It's $1,200 on one item that he's selling right here. And that's just this one guy right here selling these by himself. It's unbelievable. He's already made $1,200 in profit selling these right here. And you can find these exact designs. If you just keep looking on here, you're going to definitely find the same designs. There you go. Yep, right there. Same product, same design, same everything. Making tons of money on these. That's going to be my first product that I would recommend looking into flipping. You can just post these pictures on eBay and flip them immediately. Awesome products right there. Alright, next one I've got for you guys is going to be these Nintendo controllers. Something like this. Let's just do a little bit of research here and try to find the right one. There's an example, $23. Get them for 11 bucks right here. And then we've got a bunch of different colors we can put them in. And he's already sold 24. He's got 13 people watching it. 6 people have it in their cart. And let's just see what he's making on these. So he's selling them for $24. Used to be $40. He's giving it a discount right now. And then he's spending about 12 bucks to buy them. Free shipping, of course. So we're going to do 24 minus 11.5. That's $12.50 profit. And now he does have a 30% fee. So he's profiting $8.75 every single time he sells one of these. And he's sold 24 of them. So 8.75 times 24. He's made 200 bucks on one product. The way to make money in this is to post a bunch of different products and sit on them, wait until they sell, and you start making some serious money. Here is another one that we're going to be looking at. It's the Pro Wireless controller for the Nintendo Switch. We'll put that into AliExpress and see if we can find it. There you go, Pro Wireless, $11.19 right there. This one's $16. So our best bet is that $11 one we found right here. And it's going for 20 bucks. He sold 465 of these already. Just based on that alone, he's getting them for $11.19, selling them for $21. He's making $9.81 per, minus a 30% eBay fee. He's making about $6.81 each sale. And then that's going to be $465. He's made $3,000 on selling one controller. Not to mention, 409 people are currently watching this item. They have it on their watch list, and 85 people have it in their cart already. So he's already prepped to make another $3,000 on this one simple item, and he's getting it right here for $11 from AliExpress. Just a simple copy and paste, and we can find products like this in a matter of seconds. Another one right there is with the electricity coming out. I saw that right here. Now this one's not making any profit, so we're going to stay away from this one. Got another one right here. It's these Joy-Cons for the Nintendo Switch. Try to find the exact same one. Saw this one right there. Look at that. It's a $10 markup on this one. 8 of them sold. Got 8 people watching it. 2 people have it in their cart. Another easy product to make profit on. And there's a ton of different designs that you can play with here. Easily sell these for 24 bucks a pop. These sell very quick. I know these are very popular items. This one's not selling very fast, but these Nintendo Joy-Cons, they sell very frequently on eBay. Guys, I've got another one for you. This is the long-lasting cologne that has a lot of attention on social media. This is the exact same one. They're just not showing that Roxelis brand in the picture here. But these are 50 milliliters, so that's 1.7 ounce. They're going for $4.62, being sold for $24 online. And then tons of these have been selling. Got 109 sold right there. This is the 50 milliliter box. 43 carts, 107 people are watching, 109 of them have already sold. We've got a couple to choose from here. We've got the Her Loss edition, we've got the Romance edition, $25 here, 14 of them sold. And then I believe this 100-ounce gift box right there, Top Shelf Her Loss, that's this one right here. Just crazy, going for 50 bucks here. They're getting them for $9.93 on AliExpress. And hundreds and hundreds of these have been selling. We've got a bunch of photos that we can take from the reviews section down here. Perfect photo right there. We can repost that on eBay. That is everything we need. So this one we're picking up for $6.52, and they're going for, looks like $16 from China. $10 markup on these. Get them for $6, selling them for $16 here. Not the best markup, but a couple of them have already sold, and then this one's up at $20 markup. Blue one, we got the black one here, $6.52, selling for $20 on eBay. 7 people are watching this, 13 sold on this one, about $13.50 profit, minus your 30% eBay fee. You're pocketing around $9 per sale. He's sold 13 of them already, so he's made $100 on this item. Pretty simple item, nothing too crazy. This one's definitely going for more, but these are sold out, it looks like. If you can find these, that's definitely another opportunity right here. I know these sell pretty good online as well. Alright guys, we're going to wrap up the video right there. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you guys start making money. Literally today, you can start posting these products on eBay, get them out there, and then wait for them to sell. Have them working in the background for you. If you have any questions, be sure to comment down below. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe, and stay tuned for the next one. Peace.